Hey guys, welcome to Shahin Vlogz. Sonpapdi is a sweet which we all relish but hardly make at home because of the strenuous process. In this video, we will learn how to make the Sonpapdi in an easy way. I am showing you the measurement in tea tumblers as it will be easy for you while making. Besan, gram flour, 1 cup. All-purpose flour, maida, half cup. Ghee, 1 cup. Mine is in solid state, so 1 cup. If you have melted ghee in liquid form, take 1.5 cup. Sugar, 1.5 cup, equal to both the flour. Almonds, sliced, and some ground pistachios. Citric acid or lemon can be added if you feel the sugar syrup is getting crystallized, but it will give bitter taste. Cardamom powder, half teaspoon. Take a thick bottom white vessel. Add ghee and heat. Keep the flame in medium. Now add gram flour and maida together and mix well. Mix little fast as no lump should be formed. Now the gram flour has absorbed all the ghee and has become thick. Once cooked, the ghee will come out and the mixture will become liquidy. Now off the flame and add cardamom powder, half teaspoon. Keep this mixture aside, let it cool down. Now comes the most important part, making sugar syrup. The texture of Sonpapdi depends on the syrup you make. Heat a pan and add 1.5 cup sugar and add 1 cup water. Let the sugar melt. In between, mix the flour mixture. Once the sugar has melted and syrup starts to thicken, keep stirring, else the sugar would crystallize. To check if the syrup is ready, take some syrup and drop it in water. You should be able to make ball. This is the right consistency. Now off the flame. Take a plate and grease it well. Transfer the syrup into the greased plate. Keep on shaking the syrup, if not it will become solid very soon. Keep a plate with water below to cool down the syrup quick. Take 2 forks and start lifting up the syrup from both the sides. The syrup has thickened. At this stage, pour the syrup in the cooked flour. The flour should be hot enough to touch. If it's cool, heat it again. With the help of fork, mix the sugar syrup with the flour. Stretch the sugar and mix the flour. You can see strings are getting formed. Repeat until the flour is completely mixed with the sugar. Now transfer the Sonpapdi mixture into a square or rectangle box lined with butter paper or foil. Press and set. Now add nuts of your choice. After spreading the nuts, give a gentle press. After 10 minutes, cut into squares. Once it sets, it would be difficult to cut later. Let it sit overnight. Your Sonpapdi will be ready in the morning. Hope you found the recipe to be simple and easy. Do try and share the pictures with me in my Instagram ID or send me by mail. If you found the video to be helpful, do share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.